guys, it's Kevin again. Kevin's not dancing, and every time we see Kevin, he's walking away from us. I don't know why, but for whatever reason, Kevin is always walking away from us. We're actually going the right way too. We're following Kevin to Asia. Kevin's got big feet. Whoa.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Oh, we're fine.
Look at him hanging. How long do you think he could hang like that? Oh, there he goes. Now he's hanging by his feet. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's a smart monkey. There he goes. Look, look, look. Comes the other one. Who's to say they can't jump out? We're going on the Maharajah jungle trek. Gonna look for monkeys, tigers, and dragons. Here we go. And just to let people know, this one closes at 5 o'clock. Most of the trails do. Usually by 4:30 the animals are away.
I'm full, man.
He opened his eyes.
Different than, of course, you'd find in a wild environment. So there's also the fact of, like, in the wild, they can't.
Tigers are frequently encountered in the ruins ahead. Oh, monkeys. These are... Oh, no. All over.
Oh, they are? Yeah. I know that's your first initial thought when you see animals, especially seen as feel them like you're on the safari. Quite active, very cool. But yeah, these guys are
That one's not supposed to find.
it's on the ropes.
Oh, then
So I said,
There's one dude. There are a bunch of them up there all curled up, hanging. But that's where they are. But we came in here one time, there must have been, I don't know, 30 of them in here. They were everywhere, and now they're all kind of up there. Okay. Alrighty then. That's the bat house, but there really wasn't a lot of bats. And it's weird because if you get a close enough view of them, they almost look like dogs. They have little dog faces. Yeah, kind of weird. Alright, this is where the tigers would be. And it looks like there's people up there, so maybe there are tigers today. There's some buffaloes back there, whatever those things are, but other than that, I'm not seeing any tigers. there's a tiger. Right here. Right here. There's a tiger. Right here. Oh, that's just a drawing. Never mind.
There you go. See him?
I wonder what he's eating. Sure looks like it. Can't believe we even got to see the tiger today.
Yeah, go ahead. Just gonna go in there.
I would say no.
Pretty cool, right? See that over there? You know what that is? That's tiger food. Not really. He's like, tiger food? What? I'm in the wrong cage. And then there's all those ducks. Look at those stripes. I wonder what he's eating.
Okay, let's see in a second. Let's go over here.
Sorry guys, I'm shooting through glass right now, but you get the idea. We're in the giant bird cage, and you could see Angel stole my hat because she doesn't want birds to poop on her head, but it's okay if her husband gets poop on his head. These are all the different birds in here. Okay, I'm gonna pick one and see if I can find it. Let's see. I'm gonna look this time for the hooded pitta. It has a black head and a green body and a red belly. That's what I'm looking for. Where are you? Are you one? No, you're ducks. Oh. Wow, look at all these. Don't poop on me. I found it. No, that's not it. Whoa! Holy moly! Went right by my head. There they are. I found. No, that's not it. He doesn't have a red belly, but he has a black head and like a yellowish green body. But yeah, I can't find the one on mine though. Mine's a challenge. Whoa! 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 Dude, one just a wing hit me in the head. Whoa! That's not the one I'm looking for. Yeah. Whoa. There's so many of them up there. Okay guys, I don't think I'm gonna find the bird I'm looking for. He's probably the smallest one out of, oh, no, that's not him. I never noticed his statue before. It's kind of strange. Next time, I'm gonna find a duck. So we're going through the chains. This keeps the birds from flying out. Okay, we're out of the bird cage and I have my hat back on.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So it's a bit overcast now. I mean, their weather report claims it's gonna start raining at about 4. And it's gotten a little overcast, which makes it a little bit cooler, it's nice. And the birds are acting kind of weird, so they probably know. And my knee hurts a little bit. And usually when that happens, it means it's probably gonna rain. But that's all right. Oh, look at those. That's kind of cool. Okay, I think that was it. There's this beige monkey up there. I've never seen him before. Uh-oh. Got rain. And that would be the entrance to Everest. Wait time for Everest is 60 minutes, which actually is not that bad. I have seen it several hour wait, so 60 minutes, not too bad. Alright, we're going into Chester and Hester's Dinorama. I'm seeing Donald's Dino Bash. Here we go. Hey, look, guys, it's Pluto. He's hanging out. That's pretty neat. Just all those little things, man. A dinosaur! It's Daisy! And she is in her dinosaur costume. It's launch pad. Okay. I got a chocolate waffle cone. I bit the top of it off already. And I think Angel's gonna eat the rest. $4.99 plus tax. Good afternoon, everybody. I was just finishing this video and I realized that I didn't really have a closer. I was having so much fun that day, I forgot to make a closer for this video, so grabbed the camera, so I'm making a closer right now, which gives us the opportunity to say thank you to all our subscribers and to all the people that have commented and given us likes. Thank you to all the people that haven't subscribed yet, that are watching us, that like what we're doing. Hit the button. Hit the button, ring the bell, subscribe, get notified, give us comments, give us likes, that would be wonderful. Anyway, thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye. Oh yeah, and...
You idiot!
Thank you.